Alright guys, this is how we hook up to and drain our fecal matter, our black water. We keep the hose in this compartment right here along with the gloves. There's 100 pair in there. I like to wear gloves just because I feel it's the proper way to do it. Get your hose, come over here. So first you'll want to, this will be the same at a campsite. This is actually a dump site, but there's going to be a white cap or a metal cap that you're going to open, and you're going to stick your confluence or your black water line into. So now the line is hooked into the septic tank, and then we go over here. Now be careful. For some reason, we haven't quite figured out. Sometimes there's always a little bit of something in here. So you're likely going to get something on your hands. So it's a little stiff. Turn it and hold it up there and try and pull it away. So this time there's nothing in there. So that's great. Just watch out for when there is. Sometimes these valves can get just a little bit open and just a 1/4 inch and it'll drain. Make sure you take the end out of the drain cap. Take this end out. Go up, hook it on just like the cap came on. So then you always want to drain your black water first. So black water is 1, gray water is 2. The reason for that is you use your gray water to rinse out your black water.